Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Himor, MMSI 548123456. Call sign Delta Uniform Oscar Sierra. Position 14 degrees 35 decimal 2 minutes north. 120 degrees 58 decimal 6 minutes east. We are taking water due to hull damage after collision. Our engine is stopped and the vessel is listing to port. We required immediate assistance. There are 22 persons on board. Over. Pan. All stations. This is MB Himor, MMSI 548123455. Call sign Delta Uniform Oscar Sierra. Position 14 degrees 40 minutes north. 121 degrees 05 minutes east. We have a crew member with severe abdominal pain. We are proceeding to nearest port at reduced speed. Medical advice requested. Over. Security. All stations. This is MB Himor, MMSI 548123455. Call sign Delta Uniform Oscar Sierra. Position 14 degrees 45 minutes north. 121 degrees 10 minutes east. Floating debris observed in the area, hazardous to navigation. Mariners are advised to navigate with caution. Over.